All right, if you're trying to get that $100 discount bundle on Temu in 2025, I've got a working code for you. And I tested it myself inside the app to make sure that it actually works. Because honestly, most of the discount codes out there right now are either expired or straight up fake. So I dug through a dozen of them and only a few actually gave me real savings. Now, the one that unlocked the $100 coupon bundle is showing on your screen right now. And I've also dropped it in the description and the pinned comments so it's easy to find and copy. Now you don't have to guess which ones still work. These ones are tried and tested. Now here's how to use it. First, open the Temu app. If you don't have it yet, grab it using the link below. Then go to your profile and tap on Earn Credits or Coupon Code. That's where you'll enter the working code. Now, once I plugged it in, the $100 bundle activated instantly. It came with a mix of percentages off and dollar off coupons that stacked across different items in my cart. I tested it on a few categories: kitchen tools, phone gadgets, home decor, lots of things, and every discount applied without a problem. So if you've been waiting for a real working Temu discount code, this is your shot. It's still active right now, but these things change really fast. So try it while it lasts and let me know what you scored in the comments.